What a weekend this should be. The president and Speaker Nancy Pelosi are going all out tonight to get health care reform through the House on Sunday, and they still do not have the votes. With Republicans solidly opposed, they need 216 Democrats. There are 253 of them in the House. Our latest CBS News count has 187 a likely yes, 24 are firm no's. So it comes down to 42 undecided. The president and the speaker need to convince 29 of them to reach that magic number. Our congressional correspondent Nancy Cordes is on Capitol Hill tonight. Nancy, how does it look right now?
Well, Jeff, Democratic leaders are now expressing absolute certainty that they will have the votes they need come Sunday to pass this bill in the House. Even Republicans concede there's very little they can do to stop them.
House Democratic leaders are still trying to line up the necessary votes.
A House vote on a landmark health care bill.
It's going to be a working weekend for Democratic leaders.
With the entire nation watching, Democratic leaders are working to nail down commitments from their undecided House members.
Yes, I will be voting yes for the bill.
And this is the first time I'm announcing it that I will vote for the bill.
Yeah, I'm a firm no on it, yeah.
24 Democrats are now prepared to vote no, which means Speaker Pelosi will need to win over the lion's share of the 42 Democrats who have yet to take a stand.
The vote is in just a couple of days. Why are so many of your members still on the fence?
Well, because this is a big bill, and it's complicated.
So complicated that the AARP and the American Medical Association said today the legislation is far from perfect, but endorsed it anyway, as Democrats continued to tout the bill's potential to reduce the deficit by a projected $1.2 trillion over the next 20 years. But Republicans combing through the bill argued it would raise $50 billion more in taxes over the next 10 years than previous versions, and cut $66 billion more from Medicare, for a total of $523 billion in Medicare cuts over the next decade.
It's true that this new health care bill isn't the same as the old one. It's actually worse.
24/7 Healthcare Watch till Sunday morning.
The same debate is playing out on airwaves across the country.
This will make the bailout of those financial companies look like child's play wrong.
And with a Sunday showdown looming, things are starting to get personal. A Utah Republican went to the House floor today and accused two Tennessee Democrats of trading their votes for administration jobs.
Let's keep an eye on Mr. Gordon, where it was reported that he was promised a job of NASA administrator.
Both men rushed to the floor to deny it.
And once again, I yield to my friend to explain where he got that misinformation.
As I said, it's something that we should be aware of. It's something that we should pay attention to.
Clearly, everyone on edge up here. And late this afternoon, the lone Republican who voted for the House bill the first time around now says he's going to stick with his party this time and vote no. Jeff?
All right, Nancy Cordes on Capitol Hill tonight. Nancy, thank you.